In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize a page in Affinity. Let's walk through the exact workflow and make sure you understand what each choice does so you get the size you need without unexpected results. Start by opening the Affinity app on your computer. This process is consistent across the Affinity suite, so you'll be right at home whether you're in Photo, Designer, or Publisher. Once your document is open, look to the top bar and click the Document menu. From there, choose Setup. This opens the document setup window, which is where all the key sizing options live. Inside that window, switch to the resize area. You'll see controls that affect how large your page or artboard will be. Make sure you're adjusting the document itself, not just the canvas. Choosing document ensures the entire page dimensions change as intended, which is what you want for print layouts, artboards, or full compositions. Now enter the new size. Type in the width and height you want. If you need to preserve proportions, look for the lock or chain icon and enable it before you change either dimension. That way, when you adjust width, the height updates automatically to maintain the original aspect ratio. This is helpful when you're converting to a different unit but want to avoid stretching. Next, select your units. Pixels are best for screens and digital graphics. Inches or millimeters are typical for print work and precise physical dimensions. Choose whichever matches your final output or your printer's requirements. Enter the DPI value. DPI, or dots per inch, controls print resolution. A common standard for print is 300 DPI, while 72 to 144 DPI is typical for web or on-screen content. Keep in mind, DPI affects how big the document prints, not the number of pixels if you don't resample. Higher DPI means finer print detail, assuming the pixel dimensions support it. Choose a resample method if you want Affinity to add or remove pixels when changing size. Bicubic and Lanczos are great general-purpose options. They help maintain smooth gradients and sharp details. Nearest Neighbor is useful for pixel art where you want crisp edges without blurring. If you prefer to change DPI without altering pixel count, pick a method that does not resample or ensure resampling is disabled. When everything looks right, click Resize. The document will update immediately to reflect your new settings. That's it. You've resized your page in Affinity with control and clarity, ready for print, web, or export.